As we head down the Uvas Creek Trail, we see and hear the loud call of a male Steller's jay. The male jays are bright blue. They are large songbirds with chunky bodies, rounded wings, and a long tail. Their bill is short and powerful. One striking feature is a prominent triangular crest that stands nearly straight up from their head, like a mohawk haircut. These jays are also known as bullies by other birds because they steal food, eggs, and chicks from other birds' nests. We hear the sound of Uvas Creek get louder the further we walk. At the opening between some trees, we can see Uvas Creek flowing quickly downstream. These waters are where our local steelhead trout come back to spawn. Look quickly as we spot a female robin jumping the rocks in the creek. You can catch a glimpse of its warm orange breast in contrast to its gray-brown wings and dark head. When in flight, you can see the white patch on their lower belly and under their tail. We can also hear their cheery song. We are lucky today, as this is the third bird we've spotted on the trail. These little brown birds are called little brown creepers. They love to climb trees by hooking their curved clawed feet into the bark, and they search the crevices for insects to eat. So it's Akron, Akron?
ACMON, I think. Now they're sitting with their wings folded.
But once it's sat down, you can't see the blue.
Yeah, I know. That's a problem.
Along the trail, we pass some fallen trees cut into logs. We can feel a nice, cool, and crisp breeze coming off the creek that feels like air conditioning. To the right, we find a tree covered with rough gooseneck moss. It looks like a shaggy rug. Because of its fuzzy appearance and tail-like shape, it's also called the electrified cat's tail moss. Our naturalist, Mike Hunt, is ready to take a dip in the lower falls. Even though it's summer, there's plenty of water in this waterfall that ranges between 25 and 30 feet high. Holy guacamole! We spotted a juvenile western skink. She's decked out in smooth, shiny scales, and her dark-colored body contrasts with her 4 creamy stripes running from head to tail. Most notable is her long, bright blue tail. If grabbed by a predator, a skink releases its tail. It'll thrash and twist after being dropped. This distracts predators and allows the skink to escape. They'll slowly regenerate tails that are as long or longer than before, but never blue again. The remainder of the trail takes us upstairs and uphill. At the last leg of the trail, we end up at the top of the waterfall. Thank you so much for joining us on our Uvas Canyon County Park tour.